Dear students, today we will discuss mechanism of aluminum hydroxide gel. In previous video, I told you about the antacids and their classification, and one of the example of non-absorbable antacid aluminum hydroxide gel. And now its mechanism. Aluminum hydroxide gel is non-absorbable and exert very little systemic effect. If the gel is formed by precipitation in a carbonate or bicarbonate reaction mixture, there may be some evaluation of CO2 when the carbonate or bicarbonate anion react with gastric acid, but this reaction is very slow, so patient will not feel discomfort. Means in the human stomach or body or GIT, aluminum hydroxide gel when formed by precipitation in a carbonate or bicarbonate reaction mixture, then it will produce the CO2. बट हमने आपको बताया था आइडियल कंडीशन के अंदर कि एंटासिड ऐसा होना चाहिए जो एल्कोलोसिस कोज ना करे. CO2 क्या कोज करता है? एल्कोलोसिस कोज करता है. लेकिन ये रिएक्शन जो होती है बहुत स्लो होती है, जिससे क्या होता है, पेशेंट को डिस्कम्फर्ट फील नहीं होता है. अदर ड्रग्स शुड नॉट बी टेकन विद एंटासिड simultaneously as there is loss of antacid property. End product of neutralization of aluminum hydroxide gel with hydrochloric acid is aluminum chloride, which is water soluble astringent salt. This may cause constipation, nausea and vomiting. हमने प्रीवियसली आपको बताया था कि aluminum hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid during the neutralization and give AlCl3, which is astringent in nature. So this give the some side effects like nausea, vomiting, constipation, all like this. So the aluminum hydroxide gel is used widely with some their side effects. Now come to the assay of aluminum hydroxide gel. An accurately weighted amount of sample is dissolved in a mixture of hydrochloric acid and water by warming on a water bath. 20 ml solution is taken in a conical flask and 40 ml of 0.05 normal disodium EDTA is added to it, followed by water and few drops of methyl red. To this solution, 1N NaOH solution is added to neutralize this solution. This can be identified by color change red to yellow. Now flask is warmed on a water bath for 30 minutes. To this 3 gram of hexamine is added. Also 0.5 ml xylitol orange solution is added as an indicator. This mixture is titrated with standard 0.05 m lead nitrate solution until a violet color appears at the end point due to formation of lead xylitol orange complex. Now come to the uses. It is very effective slow acting antacid. हम आपको पहले बता चुके हैं, इट इज़ ए स्लो एक्टिंग non absorbable antacids. It reacts with a hydrochloric acid to give the AlCl3, aluminum chloride and HCl. It does not get absorbed in alimentary canal and does not produce carbon dioxide. Used in treatment of intestinal toxemia and hyperchlorhydria. It does not cause systemic alkalosis. Test for acid consuming capacity. An accurately weighted quantity of gel is taken in a flask. To it 50 ml of 0.1 NaHCl is added. The contents are shaken at 37 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. The solution is titrated for excess HCl with 0.1 NaOH using bromophenol blue as an indicator. मीन्स आप इसकी एसिडिटी को टेस्ट कर सकते हैं. कैसे? आपको एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड जेल लेना है 1.5 ml किसी फ्लास्क के अंदर. देन उस फ्लास्क के अंदर आप 50 ml 0.1 नॉर्मल HCl ऐड करेंगे. उसको 37 डिग्री तक गर्म करेंगे फॉर 1 आवर और सेक करेंगे. देन आफ्टर दैट आपको क्या करना है? इसको टाइट्रेट करना है एक्सिस किसके साथ? 0.1 NaOH के साथ by using bromophenol blue as a indicator. It is a simple acid based titration. Now come to the storage of aluminum hydroxide gel. It is stored in well closed container and should not be allowed to freeze. For attractiveness, it is usually dispensed in blue or amber color bottles. Next is dried aluminum hydroxide gel. Dried aluminum hydroxide gel have the different composition. It have activated dimethicone, magnesium hydroxide, hydroxide gel, sorbitol solution. This is the different ingredients of dried aluminum hydroxide gel. Indications: hyperacidity, peptic ulcer, reflux. These are the indications of the dried aluminum hydroxide gel. Synonym: aluminum hydroxide powder. This dried aluminum hydroxide gel is also called as aluminum hydroxide powder, and its properties: it is a white amorphous powder, colorless and tasteless, and insoluble in water. Its assay can done as same as aluminum hydroxide gel. Uses: it is used as an antacid. Dried aluminum hydroxide gel issued experiment externally as a desiccant. Desiccant means those which give the cooling effects. It is a constituent of some food powders used in the treatment of diarrhea as protective, and these are highly used antacids, and these are non-absorbable, means these are not goes to the systemic circulation. Magnesium containing antacids like magnesium carbonate, heavy and light magnesium carbonate, magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia, MgOH whole twice, magnesium citrate, magnesium oxide, magnesium peroxide, magnesium trisilicate, and magnesium phosphate. So in next class we will discuss next non-absorbable or non-systemic antacid magnesium hydroxide. So please remember all about the aluminum hydroxide gel and dried aluminum hydroxide gel. Thank you.